Good morning, students. Today we're going to start exercise 2D. So before going to the exercise, what is an additive inverse? Inverse, the meaning inverse is very clear that if it is true, then it is a false, right? So here we are not talking about true and false here. Generally, we are talking about a rational numbers. So additive inverse of a rational number. Now, for example, you have a number called as 1, any number 1. So additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Now in the same way, additive inverse of plus 1 is minus 1. Right. So coming to the exercise 2D, find the additive inverse of 9. Additive inverse of 9 is minus 9. Additive inverse of minus 11 is 11. Additive inverse of minus 8 by 13 is 8 by 13. Additive inverse of 0 is 0 because you don't have any other numbers here. Means plus 0 or minus 0, it is a 0 only. Now coming to the next topic. Now 3 by 5 from 1 by 2. So 3 by 5 from 1 by 2. So we have to subtract the number from 1 by 2. Means 3 by 5 should be subtracted from 1 by 2. Now you are getting a confusion here. Why you need to subtract 1 by 2? Or 1 by 2 minus of 3 by 5. For example, now you have taken a book from your friend. So your friend has a priority to give the books first. If he has given the book, then only you'll have the book to complete your notes. In the same way, you have taken the book from your friend. So your friend is the first priority. So here the same way, 1 by 2 minus of 3 by 5. So 1 by 2 minus of 3 by 5. Now after this, we have to see the denominator values, whether it is same or not, or similar or not. So 2 and 5, they are both are not similar. Then we are going for LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So 1 by 2 minus of 3 by 5 is equal to, now 2. So denominator value is 2. I have to make it as 10. So I am multiplying with 5, the same number I am multiplying with the numerator, minus of, so 5. So 5 here, but I have to get here 10. So 5 into 2 and 3 into 2. So now 1 into 5 is 5, 2 into 5 is 10, minus of 3 into 2 is 6 and 5 into 2 is 10. Now both the numbers are similar in the denominator. So 10, 5 minus of 6, that is nothing but 5 minus of 6 is nothing but minus 1. How you got that? So plus into minus is minus. 6 minus of 5 is 1, but which is the biggest number here? 6. Before that, minus. That's the reason minus here. So minus 1 by 10. Next one, minus 5 by 6 from minus 3 by 4. So first this number, this rational number. So minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6, because minus 5 by 6. Right. So next, minus 3 by 4, minus into minus is plus 5 by 6. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. We need to do the LCM part in the rough column. Then only you will get how you got the 12. I have not done the rough work anywhere here. So try to do it this, because in the previous classes I have done the rough work in the rough column, but here in this classes I am not doing the rough work, because you know how to do the LCM part here. Now, minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6, that is nothing but minus 3 into 3 by 4 into 3. How you got 3 here? In 4 table, 12 how many times it will go? 3 times, into 3 into 3, plus in 6 table, 12 how many times it will go? 2's are, into 2 into 2. So minus 3 into plus 3, that is nothing but 9, minus 9, minus into plus is minus. 9 by 12 plus 5 2s are 10 by 12. Now the denominator values are same, so 12 minus 9 plus 10. Now plus into minus is minus. 10 minus of 9 is 1, but which is the biggest number? 10. Before that positive. That's the reason no negative sign here. So 1 by 12. Now coming to the next one, minus 7 by 9 from 0. So 0 minus of minus 7 by 9. Now 0 minus into minus is plus 7 by 9. That is nothing but 7 by 9. So 0 doesn't have any value. Before number doesn't have value, but after number it has a value, but we are doing here rational numbers. Now coming to the word problem. So be careful here. The word problem is sum of two rational number is minus 4. Sum of two rational numbers. Two rational numbers बोलो तो here sum of two rational numbers is minus 4. If one of them is minus 3 by 5, find the others. Now sum of two rational number is minus 4. One of the rational number is minus 3 by 5. Other rational number we don't know. Means according to the question we have written. What they have given we have written here. Now let the required number. What is that required number? Other rational number be x. Then here he has given sum of two rational numbers. What is that sum of two rational numbers? Sum of two rational numbers. These are two rational numbers. Now in that one rational number he has given as minus 3 by 5 plus the other rational number is x is equal to minus 4. Got it, children? Here minus 3 by 5 plus x is equal to minus 4 means sum of two rational numbers. So that is nothing but now x is equal to minus 4 can be written as minus 4 by 1. Now this minus 3 by 4 when it is transferring to this side it becomes plus 3 by 4 means this number minus 3 by 5 when it is coming this side it becomes plus. If it is a positive number here, when it comes this side it becomes negative number. So this is a negative number, negative rational number. When it is coming this side it becomes positive. Now LCM of 1 and 5. Why we have taken 1 and 5? Because the denominator values are not similar. Is 5. So 5. Now minus 4 by 1. So in one table 5 how many times it will go? It 5 times. Into 5 into 5. In 5 table how many times it will go? 5 into 1 into 1. So minus 4 into 5 is minus 20 by 5 plus 3 into 1 is 3 by 5 into 1 is 5. Now the denominator values are same. 5 minus 20 plus 3, that is nothing but minus 17 by 5. Hence the required number is minus 17 by 5. Coming to the next one, what should be added to get minus 1? So what should be added? What is that number should be added to get minus 1? Right. So I think so something I missed here. What should be added? I've not written here. What should be added to here too? Here I have missed. What should be added to 2 by 5 to get minus 1? This was a question. I made a mistake here. So find. So what should be added to 2 by 5 to get minus 1? Now let the required number be x. Then 2 by 5 should be added to x, means number is x because we don't know what is that number, is equal to minus 1. So here what should be added to 2 by 5? What should be added? X should be added to get minus 1. Got it, children? So x is equal to this number is transforming to this side. So that is nothing but it is a positive number. When it turns this side, it becomes a negative. So now minus 1 by 1, minus of 2 by 5. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now denominator values is 1. So into 5 into 5. Denominator values is 5 into 1 into 1. You got it. How you got this number here? So 1 into 5 is minus 5 by 5, minus of 2 into 1 is 2 by 5 into 1 is 5. No, denominator values are similar. So 5 minus 5 minus 2. So minus into minus is plus, that is nothing but 5 plus 2 is 7, but which is the biggest number here? 5. Before that minus 7 by 5. Hence the required number is minus 7 by 5. Now coming to the next one. What should be subtracted from minus 3 by 4 to get minus 5 by 6? Now let the required number be x. Then I have written here very clearly. This was an easiest. This is a little tricky. That's it. So x from minus 3 by 4 to get this thing. Now what should be subtracted? Now x from this thing means x should be subtracted from this. X should be subtracted from this to get this according to the question. Now from bole to first this one minus of this, we know very well in the previous sums we have done. So minus 3 by 4 minus of x is equal to minus 5 by 6. Now what we are doing, only the x term we are taking as, only x term is going this side. Only x term is going this side. Now minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 6 plus x. Why? Because this is a minus x. Now next, this number is coming this side. Now x is equal to minus 3 by 4. This is a minus value. When it turns this side, it becomes plus 5 by 4. Now the denominator values are not similar. The denominator values are not similar. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now the denominator value is 4. So 4 in 4 table 12, how many times it will go? 3 times. So 4 into 3 is 12. So into 3. Next in 6 table into 2. Into 2. So minus 9 by 12 plus 10 by 12. Denominator value is similar. So 12, 9 plus 10. Now plus into minus is minus. 10 minus of 9 is 1. 1 by 12. Hence the required number is 1 by 12. Now coming to the next exercise, exercise 2E. 2E, in the previous sums, when you compare, the sums, see here it is a from means it is a subtraction, a simple trick, that's it. From, it's a subtraction, but here it is by. If in the place of 7 by 6, from 9 by 2 means it's a subtraction, we have to do it. Now 7 by 6 by 9 by 2, it is nothing but a multiplication. Please concentrate on the word what they have given. Stress on the word. From means it is a subtraction. By means it is an multiplication. And is an addition. Right? Understood? Some tricks, that's it. It is important. Right? So first one. Now first one, 7 by 6 by 9 by 2. 7 by 6 by 9 by 2. Now 7 into 9 by 6 into 2. 7 into 9 by 6 into 2. Now I got 7 into 3 now by 2 into 2. How I got? Now I am cancelling 9 and 3 with 3 table. With the 3 table. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now do I cancel any numbers here again? Can I cancel it? Why? Because it's 2 2 and 3 7. We cannot cancel it. That's the reason 7 into 3 is 21 by 4. Now 5 by 6 by 30. So 5 by 6 into 30, that is nothing but 5 by 6 into 30 by 1. So 5 into 30 by 6 into 1. Now can we cancel the numbers here? Yes. With 6 tables, 6 ones are, 6 fives are, 6 ones are, and 6 fives are. So that's the reason 5 into 5 by 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 only. So 5 into 5 is 25. Now coming to the next one. It's minus 3 by 10 by minus 40 by 9. So minus 3 by 10 into minus 40 by 9 is equal to minus 3 into minus 40 by 10 into 9. Now 10 ones are, 10 fours are, 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So here first minus 1 means 3 ones are and 3 threes are. Next 10 ones are and 10 fours are. Right. So here minus 1 into minus 4, that is nothing but minus into minus is plus, it's 4. So 1 into 3 is 3. Next minus 32 by 5 by 15 by minus 16. So minus 32 into 15 by 5 into minus 16. So here first minus and minus get cancelled. After that 32 into 15 by 5 into 16. So 5 ones are, 5 threes are, first 3. After that 16 ones are and 16 twos are. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Coming to the next one. Simplify minus 12 by 5 into minus 15. So minus 12 by 5 into minus 15 is equal to minus 12 by 5 into minus 15 by 1. That is nothing but minus 12 into minus 15 by 5 into 1. So minus into minus, it's a plus. So first 5 ones are, 5 threes are. So minus 12 into minus 3, that is nothing but minus into minus is plus 36. Now coming to the next one. 2 by 5 into 5 by 8 plus minus 3 by 7 into 14 by minus 15. Same thing I have written here, but in a combination. So 2 into 5 by 5 into 8 plus minus 3 into 14 by 7 into minus 15. Now coming to this. So 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 5 ones are, 5 ones are. So 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 5 ones are, 5 ones are, plus 3 ones are, 3 fives are, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. See, 3 ones are and 3 fives are, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So 1 into 1 is 1 by 1 into 4 is 4 plus, and here minus and minus also get cancelled. So 2 by 5. Now the denominator values are not same. So LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 into 5 by 4 into 5 plus 2 into 4 by 5 into 4. That is nothing but 5 by 20 plus 8 by 20. That is nothing but 5 plus 8 by 20. That is equal to 13 by 20. Now coming to the third sum. So minus 14 by 5 into minus 10 by 7 minus minus 8 by 9 into 3 by 16. So now have minus 14 into minus 10 by 5 into 7 minus of minus 8 into 3 by 9 into 16. That is equal to, so 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 7 ones are, 7 twos are, minus 2 into minus 2 by 1 into 1 minus of 8 ones are, 8 twos are. Please observe this side. When I am cancelling this side, please observe this side, what is going on. So 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So minus 1 into 1 by 3 into 2. That is nothing but minus 1 to minus is plus, 2 twos are 4. 4 by 1 minus of minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Minus into plus is minus. This minus is here only. We are not doing anything. So minus 1 by 6. Now next step, minus into minus is plus. So 4 by 1 plus 1 by 6. Now the denominator values are 1 comma 6. It is LCM as 6. So in one table 6 is 6 into 6 into 6. In 6 table into 1 into 1. So 4 6 are 24 by 6 plus 1 by 6. That is nothing but 24 plus 1 by 6. That is 25 by 6. Now write the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 6. Now before that, in the previous exercise we have done the additive inverse. Here multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse, we need to change only the signs. Signs are nothing but positive or negative number. It's a positive number, then you have to it's turned it as a negative number. If it is a negative number, it turns as a positive number. But here, coming to the multiplicative inverse, the numerator and denominator values will be reversed. For example, here 5 by 6, multiplicative inverse of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. Multiplicative of minus 11 by 3 is minus 3 by 11. The signs are not changing, only the numbers are reversed. Now multiplicative inverse of minus 8 is minus 1 by 8. Why it is? Because minus 8 by 1, if a single digit is there, that means the denominator value is 1. So minus 8 by 1 is minus 1 by 8. So 0, multiplicative inverse of 0 is 0 only, because 0 by 0 is 0 only, or 0 by 1, because in the previous question we have taken 1, no, sorry, we should not take 0 here. So 0 by 1 is 1 by 0, which is nothing but 0 only. Now coming to the next, find the distance covered by a car in 2 by 5 hours at a speed of 46 2 by 3 kilometers per hour. So here we need to stress what they have given and what you need to find out it. Please stress on that. Find the distance you need to find it, covered by a car in 2 by 5 hours, time, at a speed 2 by 3 kilometers. Speed they have given and time they have given. This is a time and this is a speed. Distance you need to find out. So what they have given now, time taken 2 by 5 hours. Please stress on this, hours. Kilometer per hours is a speed, and hours, minutes and second is a time, and distance is only in meters and kilometers. Distance in meters and kilometers. We have to just stress on the words. Time taken is equal to 2 by 5 hours. Now converting the mixed fraction into a normal fraction. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12 by 5 hours. Now speed of a car 46 2 by 5 kilometer per hour. So 46 into 3, it's 138, plus 2 is 140 by 3 kilometers per hour. Now distance covered by a car is equal to speed into time. That is a formula. General correct formula is speed is equal to distance by time, but what you need to find out here, distance you need to find out. So that's the reason the time is multiplying to the speed. The distance is equal to speed into time. So now next, what is the speed here? 140 by 3 into time is 12 by 5 into kilometer by hour into hour. So I have differentiated the unit values here separately, because why you're getting a kilometers here first, that's the reason. Now 140 into 12 by 3 into 5, and hours get cancelled. It's a multiplication method now. So similar values will be cancelled in the standard form. Now here 3 ones are and 3 4s are 12, 4, 5 ones are and 5 28s are, means 28, 5 2s are 5 2s are it's 10 and 4 is carrying here, it's 40 and 8. Understood beta? So 28 into 4, that is equal to 112. That is nothing but 28 into 4 is 112 kilometers. Hence the distance covered by a car is 112 kilometers. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed your class. So in the next session we'll be doing a next exercise.